To access your OJT coordinator account, you must log in the account given by admin. As you can see, this is OJT coordinator dashboard. In OJT coordinator dashboard, we have here a chart where you can see number of applicants every month. And in the right corner, this is the most used skills. And to deploy student, just go to jobs available and view their detail. So as in there is job description and the skill they're looking for. And the similar jobs is right here. To assign a student, just click assign student. This is the student that match the job skill requirements. And to review the profile, just click the view profile button. And to check their document, just download the file by clicking the download button. Just click the deploy student. OJT coordinator can also deploy multiple students by clicking the checkbox and clicking this button, deploy selected students. And you will get the notification, success. Uh, in dashboard, to see the applicants, students, just click the applicants. And you can see the students who are applying for the job. And let's go back to dashboard. And to see the student who are deployed, just click the deployed. And you can see the overall student who has been deployed. We are here again in dashboard. And to approve the company memorandum of agreement, just go to pending companies. Here you can see the company who registered. And to view their MOA, just click the view MOA button. And to approve their MOA, just click accept and confirm.